Welcome to Make Made Simple. Today we will be studying what are external forces in trusses. So I have made a truss here on which a load is applied in this member, and this member will be in tension, this member will be in compression, and this member will be in compression, as we had seen in the previous video. Now if there would be a force if this member is in compression, this is in compression, then there would be a force acting in this direction. This one force I have made here, Fa, and there would be a component Fay and Fax, and for here there is also a component Fb in the vertical direction. Now if we take this structure as a whole, that is, we do not consider the members in the structures, we take the structure as a whole rigid static structure. Then I have drawn this static structure here. This is a static structure without any joints. Then to find the external forces on the load, we can take a pivot point. We can take a pivot point at A. Then there is also a force here also, Fb. Now we take the moment Mo about we take the moment about A equals to 0. Moment about A equals 0. This will imply we are taking moment about A equals to 0. This will imply this F load. This I am taking as minus. So minus F L into L1 plus Fb plus Fb into L1 plus L2 will be equal to 0. So this will imply that Fb equals to Fl L1 over L1 plus L2. So this is the relation that we have got. So this is the relation that we have got. In the next video, we will study about the internal forces of this structure. So we'll take a closer look at the internal forces in this structure. So that was all for today. You can have a look at the board. So thank you for listening. If you have enjoyed the video, please do like the video, subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends. Thank you.